Okay, Oreo, let's go. I'm gonna walk you so you use the bathroom and they can see. I picked my dog's poop up. Not like, see, there's poop there. I mean, there's poop all over this place, and they're gonna blame my animals for it? There's 1,001 animals in this complex. Let me show you where that bitch lives. 102 in Tudor K. Right upstairs. See, my dog's pissing. See? There's my dog. Right there. I'm going to record my whole dog. Using the bathroom and all. Show them I pick up the poop and all so they can see it on recording. And then maybe they'll stop blaming my animal. But this neighborhood ain't going to blame my animal anymore. I got protection. So you know what? Why are you going that way, sweetie? Come, let's go this way. Come. Go off the edge, you dingy. Oh, you fell off the edge. See, guys, and I'm gonna pick my poop up. Watch. But these guys do not. And see, about 2 minutes later, there's the poop. And sorry, guys, you gotta see this, but there, I'm gonna put the phone down. But as you see, I picked the poop up, but these people are blaming me, saying I'm not picking my poop up. So I got it on recording, and I'm gonna put it on YouTube so the world can see the fucking thing. I picked my poop up. Come on. Get in.